Tesla. 24's all gold Dayton.
So this is the only Tesla in the world?
Only Tesla in the world. Only Tesla in the world. 24's all gold Dayton. This is something you do not see every day. It's a special treat to see something like this. We're talking about a Tesla, not just a Daytons, on 24-inch gold Daytons. That's like the 21st century meets its classic. It's just, what a perfect mix and world. She's gonna be driving and sliding this car. This one's one to watch out. I appreciate the business. Thank you guys, always. How bad is this car? Nasty. Concept's crazy.
Outrageous. Whoever came up with this idea, they did their thing.
I appreciate you, fam. I appreciate you. Dayton guys know what it's like to order a set of Daytons and how long it takes and stretches it takes to wait on Daytons, guys. It takes a long time. It's a process. It's worth waiting for, but it's a process. Now, if you stock it, you don't have to worry about it. We stock it. A lot of people don't want to stock Daytons. It's very expensive. The profit margins is crazy, but it's worth to stock a set of Daytons because it's very important.
Tell me about how this client came in, what, this morning?
Oh, no, this guy just, well, I don't know how am I say that shit.
You can't say the name, but you know.
Yeah.
Tell me the story.
I can't see a friend. Hooked me up with another guy who knew a guy, and he said, listen, my guy's looking for some wheels. Came down here, I need some Forgiatos, or I need some Ruccis, or I just need something different. That's all right, no problem. We start putting some wheels on, looking at it, checking it out, and I'm like, wait a minute. Let me give me a second here. I think I can make something happen. And I went to my bag of tricks, came back out, put the wheel on, did a little bit of modifications, super clean. You can't even tell the car was not modified at all. And then the wheels slap right on, man. Woo! I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you. This is a match made in heaven, man. I appreciate everybody who combined to make this happen.